Welcome back. Government would initiate a thorough probe into ESG's affairs of the past 8 years. ESG Governing Council member Sharmad Pai Raiturkar said that anyone involved in illegality will not be spared. Vishal Pai Kakore, former Governing Council member of ESG, has welcomed such a probe, including probe into the allegations against him. Filmmaker Milind Madgut has advised that probe should not be politically motivated and ESG should provide healthy environment for Goan filmmakers.
Are you assuring a complete probe into the affairs of ESG in last
100%.
100%. Will you probe?
100%.
Maka sanga tajo mudda ha ki I am going to investigate into 8 years affairs of ESG into all the corruption matters. तुम्ही तयार आहात कारण तुमचेही करप्शनाचे आरोप झाले
100%
आणि तुमच्या इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जातले तुमची तयारी आहे
म्हजी सामकी तयारी आसा आणि इतलेच न्ही सो म्हजे कोतान म्हजी हीच मागणी आसा की सामके दूध का दूध पानी का पानी जावपाची
यू आर ओपन फॉर
आय एम व्हेरी मच ओपन आणि
इवन अबाउट द एलिगेशन्स व्हिच वर लेवल अगेन्स्ट यू
100%
सगळ्या गोष्टीचेर प्रोब जातलो सगळ्या गोष्टीचेर प्रोब जातलो
पीपल विल टेकन टू द टास्क
येस एब्सोल्युटली वेदर
heads will roll
whether that person is in any position त्या गोष्टीचेर हे जातले फक्त हांवें आनीक एक गोष्ट सांगूंक शकता खूप फाटी तू म्हणूंक शकता की ताजेर पयलींच कित्याक जालें ना एक गोष्ट हांव सादी एक एग्जांपल म्हणून दिता चवथ 2 दिसांचेर आयिल्ले तेन्ना घराचे वाशे बदलपाक कोण काडिना
विसर्जन जातगीर घराचे काम सुरू जातले इतली
तरी डेफिनेटली गणपतीचे विसर्जन जाले नंतर घर डागडुजी करपाचे काम डेफिनेट सुरू
जातले कॉलेजीतल्या भुरग्यांक 4 कोंकणी पिक्चरचे नांव विचारले म्हळ्यार कॉलेजीतल्या लोकांक भुरग्यांक सांगूं येना कॉलेजीतल्या भुरग्यांचो इन्वॉल्वमेंट इफीन कमी हे सगळें दुरुस्त जावपाक जाय रेक्टिफाय जावपाक जाय तरूच इफी सक्सेसफूल जातलो कारण फक्त प्रोब केलो आणि कोणा दोशी ठरयलो ताचो आमकां आमचे उद्दिश्ट साध्य जावपाक एज अ फिल्म मेकर
Goa Bachao Abhiyan along with citizens of Talegaon, Panji and Mapsa has opposed opening of ODPs by the NGPDA. GBA has questioned why authority is in a hurry to open the ODPs.
Goa Bachao Abhiyan along with stakeholders from Talegaon, Panji and Mapsa have objected to the notification issued by the NGPDA on 6 November. Notification invites corrections and rectification or making minor changes in the ODPs of 3 constituencies.
The opening of the ODP was discussed at the meeting and several issues came up. Now the first issue that was brought up was the notification stated that errors between the original plan and the revised plan where certain areas are omitted or wrongly zoned is open for correction. Which is the original plan and which is the revised plan is not stated in the notification.
GBA has a question why only NGPDA is hurrying up to open the ODPs.
And Mr. Ashok Kumar stated that the present notified plan is the revised plan and the previous one is the original plan. When it was brought to his notice that there were 2 previous plans, that is one is the draft ODP plan and before that is the notified 2000 ODP plan, then Mr. Kumar clarified that it is the 2000 notified plan. Now this is not made clear to the public and we have an objection that the notification is vague and does not state which is the original plan, which is the revised plan. Why? The question we are asking is why is only North Goa PDA opening up the ODP areas? What about the ODP areas in other places?
What's the urgency?
What is the urgency? There must be some urgency or something that is prompting the government to do this.
Our video journalists Sushant Pearl and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Government of India has filed prosecutions against 19 companies for making dubious claims and for misguiding advertisements. Companies like Horlicks, Boost, Complan, Saffola, Premium Tea, etc. are in this list. Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik had raised the issue in Rajya Sabha. Minister for Information and Broadcasting Manish Tiwari has appealed media not to give publicity to such products.
Government of India has filed prosecutions against 19 food items manufacturing companies for violating Section 24 of the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 by making false or dubious claims or for issuing misguiding advertisements. Union Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting Manish Tiwari has informed this in the Rajya Sabha. Food product Complan claimed that one can grow 2 times after having Complan. Complan Memory claimed that the product charges memory. Boost claimed that it provides 3 times stamina than ordinary drinking chocolate. Horlicks claimed that after taking the drink, children become taller, stronger, sharper. Kellogg's claimed that research showed that people who eat low-fat breakfast like Kellogg's Special K tend to be slimmer than those who don't. Other companies manufacturing Saffola, Indian mustard oil, premium tea are also being prosecuted for their false and misguiding claims. Now, Minister has informed Shantaram Naik that an advisory has been issued to all the channels and print media in connection with their advertisements which claim special or miraculous or supernatural cure for diseases. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The Hospicio Patients Register has no noting of Danny Fernandez being brought in after his mid-road brawl with Nueve MLA Miki Pacheco. This was revealed when the register of the hospital was checked 24 hours later. The accused Danny Fernandez was arrested late in the evening.
The accused Danny Fernandez on late Thursday evening was taken to custody by the Kola police. Danny on Thursday evening had applied for an anticipatory bail, but have a look at this page of the patient's register. The page has no notings of the accused Danny being brought for the first aid. It is surprising to see no noting of the MLA of Nueve, Miki Pacheco, being brought in to the hospital. The case is already surrounded with doubts. Now the blank place in the register has raised further more doubts over the process of this case. A reporter from Madgaon, Pratik Parab.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.